Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel at hashtag Trotsky. Just a quick update, my Azuma. I have finally got it onto my Noch layout, my Fleischmann layout. As you can see here, we've got a few trains running. Just had to sit down and had a go with it for a while because I've had the Azuma since September, which is a birthday present from my lovely wife, and I've had a digital chip on order since then. They haven't come into the country still. One or two people have seemed to get hold of them, but I ended up getting them paid a bit over the odds for it on eBay, but that's what we do. So after about 6 months of waiting, I now have it finally digital chipped. The process was incredibly easy, apart from the lights, and oh my god, how fiddly can it possibly be? There's a little chip underneath, which I had to take it all apart in the end, and has followed a fantastic video which somebody had sent me to get the lights working. But once the lights are working on this, it is really nice. There we go, just got the lights going on there, nice and bright. Got the tail lights on the other end as well. So let's just get this thing going. I've been trying to do this for about 3 weeks, put this chip in, but it's been really doing my head in. But once I get it in, it's the loco it runs really well. Nice and smooth. We've got the tail lights coming on, you can see there. Wonderful. Really is a nice smooth model. Really glad to get this onto the layout. Well, this is the only kind of English train I'm going to be having on this layout. I'm not putting anything else because it's preliminary. It's all German. So there it is, just going over the bridge in the background. And here it comes. Around the bend, which has been driving me around the bend, but hey ho. It really is. I mean, this is all Fleischmann track, and it's obviously a Kato loco, but it does work pretty well. There's some points where it won't go over, but hey ho, it's gets the job done. Even if I'm just running around little bits of the track, I'm not too bothered as long as it's actually running. Never know where it is at the moment. There we go. Send it into the platform to pick up some punters. A little bit of a red light going on, and change that to green. Some people have had these with sound put in them, interior lighting for the coaches, but it's just too fiddly for my fingers. I said, just with the issues I had, I won't want to take it apart anymore. Got the iced tea running as well. It's a lovely model, the German version. Obviously it's quite updated since then, I should think, but I'll show you it changing direction. Got some lights on the other side. Click of a button, which is fantastic. Has a bit of a problem, seems to have a bit of a problem going the other way around the layout, but I'll get it sorted out at some stage. It just doesn't like the points it's coming up to. There. End of video. 7 minutes 22 without something going wrong. But there we go, such is life. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little update on my digital Azuma. Hope you all like the video, and hope you do a little bit of subscribing and get updates, because I've got a few more projects on the go, and I'll get them all shared with you guys. Hope you like the video. Cheers. See you soon. Bye.